I want to do real estate full time, but right now finding income, it's like, it's not there.
If your situation is like that, I would recommend you to find something that is flexible. Part-time allows you to make phone calls, take on incoming calls, doesn't commit you to long hours of work. Obviously, you want to be free in the evenings, typically between 4:30 and 8, it's when most of the appointments will happen. And then also you want to be able to spend an hour to 2 hours a day into following up with your leads and generating new business. That's going to be the biggest focus. Look, I've done it. I did it as a dual career for a couple of years before, and it was a long commute. It was not fun. It definitely sucked, but I did it because I wanted to get out of that job. It's doable, but you're gonna have to put a lot of effort into it because you're gonna have literally no time in your schedule because everything is gonna be blocked off. You're gonna have appointments, you're gonna have phone calls, prospecting, and weekends as well. But just remember, it's the first couple of years that are going to be difficult, but eventually after that, it's going to start getting really good. It's going to pay off as long as you commit to it and you put in the work.